Now I got this up. Now we gotta take this off. Right here. Remove this. So once you got that lid, you don't really have to completely take this off. You can, it'll be easier, but you can leave it like this as long as you take the top lid off. So what you want to do is replace this sensor right here, and you'll need number T25 star pin like this. You can either use impact driver or the screwdriver. So the sensor itself, this is what it is. It's called what is this? Designed for. It's pretty much the engine management and ignition. It looks like this. And that's what you need to replace. And it's located right here, as you can see it. So you take 2 of these screws out, and voila, this is the sensor you gotta replace. So this is a new sensor. Looks like this. This is the part number for it. You can get them AutoZone or wherever auto shop you have. So put it back in, click it, put 2 screws in, put the lid back in, put everything else backwards how you took it apart. And it'll be a moment of truth. I'll show you if it starts and runs after this. So, and put the screws in, install this, screw it in. If it's hard to take the sensor off, you gotta unplug this. And the moment of truth, if it's gonna work. So when you change the filter and it still won't start, what you have to do is go here, unplug minus or either one, the battery, let it sit for a while. So I guess that will reset any sensors that you have. And put it back on. And let's see if it should start now, if it was the sensor problem. There you go, it's running. Doesn't die anymore. So I'm assuming it's probably that sensor. But sometimes, if you don't want to buy the sensor, retest the battery, see if it works. Thank you for watching.